Hey everyone! In today's video, I want to show you a few cool ways how we can set sound alerts using Trade Ideas custom scanners. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you a really simple way on how you can set multiple sound alerts for the same scanner so you never miss an important alert. Setting up custom scanners using Trade Ideas Pro is user-friendly and a great way to spot value in our trending market. One great perk to Trade Ideas scanners is that it gives us the ability to set real-time sound alerts. This provides us as the trader an edge in finding high-volume movers fast. First thing we'll do is pull up a custom scanner built using Trade Ideas Pro. If you don't have Trade Ideas Pro and are interested in setting this up, please see the description for details. Use BOB15 for a discount code so you don't have to pay full price. Okay, we have our scanner up. Now let's right-click anywhere on the scan and select Properties. From here, we select Actions. This will allow us to change how we are alerted when the scanner starts to fire off results. For sound alerts, make sure that the Play Sound box is checked. Click the Setup Sound to change this alert. From here, you will notice a handful of system and sound alerts, including text-to-speech. If you want to hear the ticker symbol each time the scanner shows a result, select Text-to-Speech. This is a great way to find value without having to look at the scanner. Some traders use this as an option while on the go, while others simply just prefer the voice alerts overall. Just below, you'll notice another option listed as Sound File Name, Custom Sound. Click the Custom Sound box to turn on this feature. Now we can browse through the custom sounds stored on our device. After checking the box, hit Select to browse through our options. If you have the downloadable version, you should notice Trade Ideas Pro comes with a list of custom sounds and alerts you can use. You can select any voice alert from this list or choose a custom sound stored on your device. To choose a custom sound stored on your device, you will have to find a sound alert in your list of PC folders. For me, I go to the Downloads and select Custom WAV File. Once you're finished, make sure to save these filters. One advantage of setting custom alerts is we as the trader can save time by knowing which voice alert is higher priority by setting a specific notification. You can also change the volume of each alert if you prefer, so you can have multiple scans going off at the same time and focus on higher priority scans first. Okay, so now I'll show you a really simple way on how to set multiple sound alerts for the same scanner. First, I'd like to ask everyone to thumbs up the video if you haven't already to help the channel grow. A really simple Trade Ideas hack is to duplicate your higher priority scanner and set a separate sound alert for the same results. This allows us to have the sound alert and the ticker voice all at the same time, which can be really handy. Right-click on any scanner you have sound alert set and select Duplicate. Now you can go into the settings and change the sound alert for this duplicate scanner. Now we can shrink one of the windows, pull it off to another screen, or layer it behind our other scanner to keep the clean layout that we're looking for. Now we will get two different notifications for the same scan layout. This gives us an edge as a trader as it saves us time, and time is money. We can quickly identify by the sound of the alerts whether or not the notification is high priority or not. This can be a really great feature when creating a momentum or high of day custom scanner. In the next video, I'll go over some really cool ways on how we can go one step further in making these alerts specific to our style of trading. Until then, be sure to like the video and stick to your strategy. Take care, team.